As we wait for legal challenges to play out, for now at least, the U.S. Supreme Court is silent on Texas' new abortion law.
Starting today, abortions are banned in the state once a fetal heartbeat is detected, and anyone can sue abortion providers or assistants who break that law.
KXAN's Monica Madden is live for us at the state capitol to explain what's next. Monica?
Robert, the U.S. Supreme Court had until midnight Tuesday to take up an emergency request by pro-choice groups to block this new law. But with the high court's inaction, the new restrictions are now in effect.
My body is my own.
On the Capitol steps, pounding frustration.
What Texas is trying to do is to scare people into thinking that they cannot get an abortion.
In other corners of the state, celebration.
We can see the sonogram. We can hear the baby's heartbeat.
We looked at the numbers to understand the difference this new law will make. State data shows nearly all abortions conducted in the first 3 months of 2021 were performed during the first 12 weeks of pregnancy. More than 80% happened within the first 8 weeks. Texas women can still get an abortion before a heartbeat is detected, which can happen as early as 6 weeks.
It's extremely early. It's the equivalent to being 2 weeks late on your period.
Then a person is left with the decision of what to do. We already have an overwhelmed adoption system here.
One expectation is more women going out of state for services. Trust Women Clinic said its facilities in Oklahoma City and Wichita are already seeing an increase of Texas patients. But supporters of the law are hoping other states adopt similar bans.
The pro-life movement is ready to welcome all Texas women who might find themselves in an unexpected or difficult pregnancy.
She points to pregnancy centers like Birth Choice, which offer free services. For now, clinics like Planned Parenthood are focusing on contraception and other women's health services while waiting on pending lawsuits at the federal level.
Now today, President Joe Biden weighed in on Texas's law, saying it blatantly violates the constitutional rights guaranteed under Roe versus Wade, and that his administration will work to uphold those rights. At the Capitol, Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And just hours ago, Vice President Kamala Harris released a statement calling the new Texas law an all-out assault on reproductive health for the nearly 7 million Texans of reproductive age. Now, you might be wondering how many women this will impact. There were more than 14,000 abortions here in Texas in just the first 3 months of this year.
Texas lawmakers also passed what's being called a trigger law earlier this year. It would ban all abortions statewide if the U.S. Supreme Court repeals the landmark 1973 Roe versus Wade abortion rights ruling.